you know. Chrissy, you carry scissors and you could do not with the scissors. Where are scissors now bag do? Me see why you having a this. Why the fuck you having this fucking bad bitch? You don't have not when nobody blood clot. One dirty tissue, you nasty long time. So I know nothing. What is? Backyard. Umbrella. They still have my lipstick in here, so my else brush set. Me have a fat now, say you teefy. But you look like a one alone survive now. Hot girl, me so much money this one now. Be a silver. How you be blood clot, girl? You have sweetie shop? Me count you already 15, 16, 17, 15. Me I put back all your money there. Me don't know, me can't pick up all of them blood clot silver you hold like a sweetie shop your pussy clot have. And me I can deliver your blood clot bag of coat. You're too fucking bright. Blood clot, girl. You're too weak for your old blood clot foot. I saw you forget lick. Me tell her say fuck the man and don't fuck with me. You see me a blood clot man in a carrier, I can knock up in the bitch. You see me all along out tongue and 3 times me go station go report your blood clot, so go on up there. Stop blood clot trouble me. You full of blood clot. Where you go? You say you post on Facebook so you just want a healthy baby. So why you do it so much for that ugly girl? Me know you have stomach problem, you know. Cause they tell me say when fan dead, I left you one bedroom run a blood clot and give you where a zinc of the whole around your house and a zinc of your blood clot yet. Fan left for one bedroom give you a fan dead of cancer. R.I.P. Rest in peace, fan, for right now you're turning on your blood clot grave. Me know you have stomach problems, so me expect you to have all these motherfucking pain pills. Alright, all your old and if the period pain I kill a bit. This is the cheap way to go. Buy, make your man or walk some blood clot money and buy pampering or blood clot Midal for period pain, bitch.
Now here is my question to you, the viewers. How old is this man? And it's more than evidence to see that one of the women is younger than the other. Right? There is no minor there because guess what? The youngest one says she go to the police station over and over and report her. Right? So if she was an underage person going to the police station, the police would have taken that in hand a long time because guess what? That's a minor. So no, she's not a minor. You see, the police of Jamaica, they need to pay attention to small matters before it get big. You understand? Because look at this now. This lady says she report her now. And it leave her no choice now to end up having to turn it in some form of fight in the middle of St. Elizabeth, Santa Cruz. Right? Santa Cruz, you know Santa Cruz, right? Like for real, just give it little attention. Go here. At least go on here. But you see, laziness. Yeah, that's all I can say. Maybe it's laziness. Anyways, apart from that, you know, so the police could have really go check out this situation and see what's going on. Now, it's a responsibility for you, the people and the citizens of Jamaica, to always try to make sure so no walk away from certain fight. Avoid certain things, because really and truly, life nice. And me not really want to hear say people are dead or hurt and these kind of things. These things need to stop, alright? So Jamaicans no respect on yourself, you know, and if this woman a fight over a man or whatsoever in any other way, you just walk away from it. More people out there. Alright? Anyways, if you need to know what's going on in and around the world, especially after Skilla Entertainment Jamaica, I know you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla and that was Skilla's Entertainment.